Good morning, players. Today we are going to discuss about the king special features. So king is unlike any other piece. Look at this position. In this position, we have to find what are the safe squares for the king. King is the only piece on the board. Should not move to attacked square. Should not move to attacked square. See, this king usually can move one step like this. But in this position, the enemy queen is controlling the rank and diagonal. So this king can move only one step. That is also the safe place here only. The green square is a safe place. The remaining squares you try to play cannot play because here the machine is not allowed. As well as black king. So black king safe square is this. Because the remaining all here we see the black to play here, the remaining all the squares controlled by enemy queen, so this is the only safest place. So always you should play king always to safe square. Suppose those who don't know rules, suppose if place like this anybody king, and immediately the black player should say to the opponent it is illegal move number 1 and give him chance back. Again he will take back the chance. So then he will play the proper way move. Suppose the opponent plays like this, immediately this is not a green, this is a red square, and immediately white player should say to the opponent it is illegal move number 1 because my queen is controlling, you are not supposed to come like this. And the opponent realized that then, but in his account one illegal already added, so he plays to safe square. Suppose I played like this, again this the same player moves to safe place, again I played like this, suppose, then this is not a safe place. Unfortunately he plays like this to the red square and illegal move number 2. A player who made illegal 2 immediately lose the game. So be careful while playing king, you have to play always safe square. Okay, now we will discuss what is check. What is check square? See, in this position white to play and find the check moves. Queen can move file, rank, you know already, diagonal. This is the queen moves from its position. So it can move number of squares on file, rank, diagonal. First we have to identify on the file what are checks. This is check, this is check, and this is check. See, the red squares are king is under attack. Now on rank, this is check, this is check, this is check. Now on the rank, these 3 squares are checks. Now on the diagonal, this is check, and this is check, and this is check. And another diagonal, this is check, and this is check, and this is check. These red squares all are king is under attack. Total 12 checks. So like this. These are the check square. What is check? King is under attack. Is called check. What is the first point? King is the only piece, should not move to attacker square. If anyone made a move like that, it is become a illegal move number 1. Suppose next step point number 2, if you attack the king, is known as check. Example, say physically I will play check, 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 check. Don't think about opponent will capture the queen because we are discussing only what is check. This is with the queen. In the same place, if you place the rook, this is with rook check. Okay. In the same place, suppose if you place the bishop, this is the bishop checks. Okay. If the same place, if you place the knight, check with knight. See, this is check, and this is check with the knight. Suppose with the pawn we'll see, suppose pawn it is in the beginning position, this is check. Okay, this is a subject, attack the king, be careful, king is under attack, is known as check. Next, another discover or double check, discover check. See, in this position, see, if you move rook to any place, king is not in check, you cannot give check to with rook make a move, but if you move the bishop it is check. This is a discover check, discover check. Okay, at the same position I will show you what is discover double check. This is the position. See, if you move the bishop here, discover double check, king is attacked by two pieces at a time, is known as discover double check. Okay, either here or here, also it is a double check. Okay, understood players? So you understand today very important topic, king is unlike any other piece and king is the only piece should not move to attacked square, and if you attack the king is known as check. And if anyone made illegal move, unfortunately moving the king to attacked square, and immediately you should say it is illegal move number 1. If the same player made another illegal move during the game at any stage of the game, then immediately lose the game. Okay, repeat this video 2-3 times and try to understand the king's special features. Thank you.